I'm Landon Chandler with Illinois Extension, and today I'm going to show you how to make dill zucchini.
Gently rub zucchini under cool running water. The ingredients include 2 tablespoons of butter, 1½ tablespoons of dried dill, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 medium zucchinis, cut in half lengthwise and sliced thin. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add sliced zucchini and dill. Cook for 5 minutes or just until tender. Add salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot.
Alright, this is our dill zucchini, a perfect side dish to go with a delicious meal. Hope you enjoy.
Eat, Move, Save.